What's your name?
My name is Sambit Rath.
Sit down.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Sambit Rath.
Yes, sir.
Sambit, precisely you describe about yourself, wherein you will tell about your family background, your education qualification, and your extracurricular activities and other pursuits.
So my name is Sambit Rath.
Time is 2 minutes, not more than that.
Okay. So my name is Sambit Rath. I have been born and brought up in Bhubaneswar. In my family there are 4 persons. My father, my mother, my younger brother and myself. My educational qualification is I have completed my bachelor's degree from pharmacy in 2012. After that I have opted for a job in Cipla Private Limited. After resigning from my job, now I am a banking aspirant. Among my hobbies, my hobby is visiting new places, and I am a sober, a honest, a hardworking person who would like to make friends.
Okay. How do you feel that all the qualities of yours, personal traits you have described, how will it be helpful to you in doing well in banking?
So as I have described myself as a hardworking and sincere person and an honest person, the honesty is the foremost importance in banks. So as far as my nature is concerned, I am a friendly person, so I will always be customer friendly. That will be helpful for myself and for my bank branch. Among my skills, my management capability is very good. I am a very good manager, let it be asset management, time management or person management. So I think that would also help me being a good professional also.
How does a person prove himself as a good manager?
So in difficult circumstances when nobody can manage a particular thing very well, if I can manage that, then I will prove myself as a good manager.
Okay. I give you a practical question. You are posted as a manager of IRB in a place where your bank was not there, that is the first branch of your bank,
Yes.
and you are the manager.
Yes.
How do you do the business development for the bank?
Sir, I do not have the exact knowledge on it. If
Sir,
you would like.
apply your common sense answer.
Okay. Okay. Sir, for a bank, there are 2 things. One is product and another is service. The products are almost same for all banks, but the services might differ from one bank to another. So I would like to enhance my service quality. I would like to penetrate more into the rural regions. I would like to tell my customer service officers to be more customer friendly. We should be open to all customers at all time. So that is the way I think I can enhance my business in rural area.
So what's the difference between nationalized bank and public sector bank?
Ma'am, in a nationalized bank, the government's holding is 100% in a bank. In a public sector bank, it is more than 51%.
So tell me how many nationalized banks are presently there
Presently, 19 nationalized banks are there.
and how many public sector banks are there?
I think it is 91 public sector banks are right now.
Public sector.
Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. It is 27.
Which is the last public sector bank? The Mahila Bank.
Bharatiya Mahila Bank.
Bharatiya Mahila Bank.
Yes, ma'am.
So when was this concept of Bharatiya Mahila Bank first started?
Sorry, ma'am, I do not have knowledge on that.
Okay, Sambit.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, which bank is your first choice in RRB?
In RRB, OGB is my first choice, Odisha Gramya Bank.
There is a bank called as the Chhattisgarh Rajya Gramin Bank.
Yes, sir.
It is sponsored by which bank?
Sorry, sir, I do not have knowledge on it.
How many Gramya bank this year listed in RRB exam?
I do not know, sir.
Which states have the maximum RRBs?
Sorry, sir, I didn't
Which
put the question.
state has the maximum RRBs?
I do not have the knowledge on it, sir.
Orissa have how many RRBs?
Odisha have 2 RRBs.
Which is the largest among them?
Among them, UGB, Utkal Gramya Bank is the largest.
Largest. According to the profit,
No, according to the area penetration,
according to the profit,
I do not have the
who is
knowledge.
the present head of the Orissa Gramin Bank?
So, Mr. Brundavana Nayak is the present head of Odisha Gramya Bank.
Gramin Bank. Okay. Tell me, can a RRB kept SLRs?
Yes, sir.
SLR?
Yes, sir.
In the format of what?
SLRs are usually kept in format of gold reserves and also the securities, government securities.
Can a RRB do the foreign exchange remittance?
No, sir.
Why?
Because it is a regional rural bank, it is confined to a particular region, so that is why I think it cannot do remittance work.
You have a pharmaceutical graduates.
Yes, sir.
After pharmacy, why you made up your mind to become a banker?
Sir, in 2013 when I have left my job and came back to Odisha, I have found that there is not enough opportunity in Odisha as far as a pharmaceutical graduate is concerned, because there is not even a single manufacturing company in Odisha. So after that I have opted for other options and the best suited option for me was banking.
Why you have not gone for civil service? You have a very good personalities. Then why you have not gone for civil service?
Sir, I have not gone for civil service because one of my personal experiences, one of my friends who was preparing for SSC exam and he has done very good in SSC exam 2013, but unfortunately it was cancelled due to some circumstances, and after that he couldn't concentrate on his studies and couldn't get in through the re-examination that was conducted in 2014. So I think 1 year gap is very vital nowadays. So that is why I think I have opted for banking sector.
Suppose you will get a chance to prepare for the civil service.
Yes, sir.
Do you go for it?
No, sir.
No.
Because I have already got a chance to prepare for anything I wanted. I have wanted to prepare banking. That is why I don't think I will go for civil services.
Okay. How bank differs from insurance?
A bank is a financial intermediate which accepts deposit and lends loans, but an insurance is a promise which promises us to compensate over any future mishaps.
RRB was set up under which committee?
RRB was set up under Sivaraman committee.
Sivaraman committee.
Yes.
First the RRBs are established or the committee was set up?
Sorry, I do not have knowledge of it.
In which year RRB Act was set?
In 1976.
What is a statutory body and what is a regulatory body?
Sorry, I do not have knowledge on it.
Give me some example of statutory body.
No, sir. Sorry.
In Orissa, recently there is a controversy going on DG, appointment of DG. The controversy is.
Sorry, I do not have knowledge on it, sir.
Can you read Oriya?
Yes, sir, I can.
In which year Orissa declared as an independent state?
It was declared as an independent state in 1936.
Who are called as the Panchasakha of Orissa?
So we can name all of them, sir.
All of them.
No,
Can
sir.
but tell me 2 or 3.
Atibadi Jagannath Das,
Okay.
Balaram, sorry, I can't remember that this part.
Varnabodha. Do you heard Varnabodha? Are you Oriya medium students?
Yes, sir.
Do you heard Varnabodha?
Yes, sir.
Who wrote Varnabodha?
Sorry, sir, I can't recall it right now.
You heard the name of Madhusudan Rao?
Yes, sir.
The Madhusudan Rao told her no what?
Yes, sir.
You don't have any knowledge about Oriya literature. Right?
I do not think I have sufficient knowledge on Odia literature.
English literature?
No, sir.
Which literature you have connection?
I was.
Bollywood literature?
Yes, Bollywood literature, I think I have enough knowledge.
Why you feel that the present day, the young boys and girls are not getting interested in Oriya language? They think that it is a substandard language or it is within their prestige to know Oriya language. Why they carry that type of interest?
Sir, I do not think it is a substandard language because it is the sixth classical language of India.
But
as
you
far
don't know
as-
anything about this language. Neither you know Panchastaka nor you can mention any books. Not even Varna Buddha you could say.
Yes, sir, I should have known that, but unfortunately I do not know at this point of time. Sir, the answer to your question I think would be that knowing Odia language doesn't have that much of exposure that we should, that by knowing English language have. In every examination there are only two options, either Hindi or English. If Odia would have been there, then people might get interested more in knowing Odia.
Yes, that could be. That could be. Now, if you don't get this job, how will you take it?
So if I don't get this job, I will try in the next time. I will work harder, and I think I will achieve it in the next time.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.